Hello, my friends. It's Miss Dana and Scoot the raccoon. We were just getting ready to go outside and play, but I said, Scoot, you need to put on a hood and a jacket because it is very blustery out. And of course, Scoot said, What is blustery? And then Scoot said, I don't like my hood. I look weird. So we're going to talk about what blustery is today. And then we're going to reassure Scoot that he looks very cute in his hood and not weird at all. Blustery is an adjective that we mostly associate with the weather. If I say that it is blustery outside, it is very windy and stormy. We are having violent weather, heavy, hard winds. Blustery can also refer to people or to the behavior of people, like these people here are in a blustery argument. Is it windy? No. But is it stormy? Is it a violent argument? Yes. Then we can say it is a blustery argument. Synonyms for blustery would be words like gusty, tempestuous, breezy. And of course, a word like tempestuous can also be applied to a person. If a person is tempestuous or blustery, they might be given to violent outbursts. Just like when it is blustery outside, the wind comes in sudden, violent outbursts. On the other hand, if it is not blustery weather, it is calm weather. It is tranquil. It is very placid. Once again, we can refer to a person with these same words. If a person is not blustery, they also might be calm, tranquil, or placid. In a sentence, we could say that Scoot the raccoon bundled up in a thick coat to brave the blustery afternoon. We could also say the captain guided the boat through the blustery storm. A person or an argument can also be blustery. We can also take off the Y and use the noun bluster to refer almost to the hot air that someone speaks with. For instance, I could say, I am sick of this guy's bluster. He just brags about himself. He is full of hot air. You can tell by this video that we are actually having a very blustery day here. So Scoot wants to know, should we go play outside on this blustery day, even if he does look very cute in his little hood? Or should we stay inside and curl up on the couch and not go outside because it is so blustery? You decide. Bye-bye, my friends.